Hey there, friends. You've been following along with me. You know, part of my channel is about outdoor cooking, either on the long Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn, or I'm gonna start doing some Dutch oven cooking as well. So, got me a new Dutch oven here. I got this one here. I'm gonna season it. It's brand new. It's an 8-inch Dutch. I also got a 12 and a 10. I wanted an 8-inch Dutch to cook, you know, smaller proportions. A lot of times it's just me, or maybe the wife is with me, and we don't need to cook a big meal. So picked up this 8-inch Dutch. It's a Lodge, brand new. I'm going to season it. Right now I'm just going to get it up to temperature and burn the wax off of it. It comes from the factory with a little bit of a wax coat on it. So to season this thing, I got some oil, some salt, and some paper towels. So we're going to get this thing ready to cook, break it in. I think it might be about there. We can probably put some oil in it. Oh yeah. Just let that get warm here for a little bit, then we'll take the heat off of it and get it seasoned up. Alright, this thing's good and hot. Let's take some paper towels and wipe it down. Some salt in there. Salt acts like a little bit of abrasion. Get the wax coat off of it. Ooh, I did get her hot. Got her hot. I just put that in there. There we go. A little 8-inch Dutch. And it's ready to be cooked in. Maybe do some Dutch oven cooking here later today. Alright. Well, got any comments? Leave me a comment. If you want to follow along and learn a little bit about Dutch oven cooking, subscribe to my channel and come along with me.